In an upcoming film, Ek Paheli Leela, Sunny Leone will be seen in 3 different avatars, one of them being a supermodel, and the former adult film actress felt so close to this character that she decided to add a personal touch to the role. A source told Mirror that Sunny pulled out a bikini from her personal collection. She had worn it in one of her pre-Bollywood films. It was a Valentine's Day gift from her husband Daniel Webber, added the source. The bikini in question was required for a peppy number, and the makers let Sunny pick one from her own wardrobe. She phoned Daniel, who was to join them on the set later, and he got the outfit along. Similar pink bikinis were then made to order for the background dancers, said the source.